Okay, welcome to Second Life. This is a virtual world. This is my parcel with some grass. Got a few pets with me. I've got a big clock. This is a model of the Great Westminster clock. And I didn't do the tower, just the clock. That's mostly what the face of the clock looks like on all four sides. There's some bells. My bells are not the same as the in real life version. The movement is very similar. And I like this escapement. Allie used to call this the spatula clock because it sounded like somebody banging a spatula on the table. But I recorded the escapement of a real life one of these clocks. Just took it off YouTube. And I separated the individual sounds of the pendulum hitting the legs and the escape wheel hitting the legs. I like how this, see this is called a fly. It keeps the escape wheel from going too fast. And I like how it's got this clutching action. So the fly doesn't stop right away, and that prevents the fly from just breaking off. We're not close to any bonging the hour or anything. Let's go up to my parking clock. This is a clock, and it's this. My parcel is the size of this grass area, and this is 399 meters high. If you want something to show up on the map, it's got to be under 400 meters. So this is right at the limit, so it'll be on top of everything else in my parcel. These two things, the yellow and the green thing, are on another parcel. It's not part of my parcel. My parcel is just this clock. And you can see this on the map. That's why I made this. You can see when the map robot passes over. And that would have been last night, April the 2nd, 03/40/57. And there's an analog version with these blue hands. And the couple of days before the robot passed over at I forgot which hour it was, but it was 16 minutes and 32 seconds. So that's quite a bit different today. Anywho, let's go back down. And I wanted to show the jigsaw puzzle with the video playing on it. I've done a lot of jigsaw puzzles I built this machine so you could do jigsaw puzzles in Second Life, but I've not very often played videos on the puzzle. This is the parcel media. Everybody who has a parcel has a media address you can point it to and play videos on your parcel. But you can also set the texture of the jigsaw puzzle to the media, parcel media, and that's what this is. And this is the biggest puzzle I can have on my parcel because I only got 41 prims left. And sometimes when you're playing a puzzle like this, you have to wait till the video gives you some clue of a thing that might match, because the video keeps changing. I'm pretty sure all these blue pieces go up here, but they won't be blue later. See how that changes? Sometimes you wonder if you can ever find a match. I think I caught a glimpse of that one. There we go. That looks like it might. If y'all are playing Second Life, you can. This Caro Cola is a good, fun product. It makes a little sound like you're rattling the bottles. And it's gonna pop the top in a minute. There it goes. Now we're gonna be drinking cola, and when it's done, it'll go. You can start another one. Yeah, you can sit here for hours and play jigsaw puzzle. All right, that's pretty much how that works. I don't know if anybody wonders what's underneath this grass. It's just a platform. These are the pillars the clock sits on. These guys have a lot of stuff down here. That's that next door parcel. All right. All right. I'll see you in the next one.